Don't tell me you're serious, I'm on my delirious. Money fast, you curious, get a bag, could care less. Skirt off, you got left, play ball for a check. Chandeliers on my ears, now I need.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy back with another video. Today, we're gonna be decorating my graduation cap. See, your boy got the glasses on for a reason, feeling a little studious today. And if y'all are real deal supporters, y'all would have watched my last video where I explained that your boy finna be graduating in a few weeks. So, you feel me? Yeah, I just picked up my cap and gown not too long ago. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me just show y'all the cap. Nice little blue issue, you feel me, with the big 2025 on it. Yeah. So we're just gonna be decorating the top. I'm gonna show you my old cap from last year, so I could kind of show y'all the theme I'm going with. Check the braids out, hold on. You feel me? Got iced again. Yeah. This is the cap from last year. We got dedication, hard work, plus patience. Class of 2024. Nevada State High School, you feel me? All money in. A little medal I got. A little, yeah. So this, if you don't know, is a Nipsey Hussle lyric from his song and his little logo. So I got on my wrist with this hat, with this new one. Let me show y'all where my phone at. Alright, so it's gonna say the victory cap. I'm not gonna put a picture of him because that's glazing. I'm gonna put this right here instead. His little logo with the victory lap flags. And it's already blue. My cap's already blue, so it's gonna go with it good. So yeah, first, I mean, we're gonna get something to eat. Y'all know me, we finna go get some cans. Only right now, only because it's right next to the Walmart. Like, it's literally like right here across the street. So we finna go get some cans. And then go to Walmart, get some supplies. I'm gonna print out some of the stuff. I'm gonna see if I can print it out at Walmart, but if not, we might have to wait till tomorrow to print it out at CVS or Walgreens, because I don't know how long they picture stuff be open. So yeah, I'm gonna tap in when we get to cans.
I don't wanna take too much from you. Should I do too much? Man, I just do what I can do. I take off and beat the road. Come back to beat the road. Ain't never need it all. Somehow I'm my ass deeper. The life on the hill, like a sinner. I'm playing with gangsta.
I really be listening to like straight Atlanta, like not like straight mainstream Atlanta, like Gunna, Future, Baby, Young Thug. Not really Playboy Cardi, but like a little dibble dabble. This new album, you feel me? Just straight Atlanta though. Like I just realized that, like I don't know why, it just be straight Atlanta most of the time.
Fake written all over you. Hater written all over you. Fake written all over you. I've been in the car, cuffing my toes, but I still stuck to the code. Money won't fold, pockets won't hold enough.
Alright, last year I got this little book of litter pages. Wow, that's what we going right there. I think it's the same color too, like that nice little royal blue. They don't got no black gems, so I think I'm gonna go with like these small size clear ones. It a little shiny though, it look like some little bust down gems, I ain't gonna lie. Some real BBS for real. So, yeah, I don't got no black ones, so I think I'm gonna go with these ones. For y'all graduating, I can decorate y'all caps. Get some super glue and glue everything down. It's not gonna stay with the little sticky adhesive. So just get some nice little super glue. Make sure everything's secure. Alright, YouTube, this is a few days later. Side note, scratch, if you're going to do this, so just scratch going to Walmart. No shade to them, but like just go to Michael's. They got literally everything A to Z. So yeah, I'm finna show y'all everything I got, and we finna get right into putting this cap together. So for the words, the white words, the victory cap, we got some stickers. That's why I said get the super glue, because like this sticky adhesive is not gonna do it to sticking for the cap, so you can put super glue on it. We got some white words. I'm gonna put save TMC with these. That means the marathon continues. You feel me? That's another one of Nipsey Hussle's things. just like it means like even if the race is over, the marathon continues. Like even though I'm graduating, the journey's still not over yet. Like I gotta keep going. Like you feel me? Then I'm gonna do CSN apostrophe 25 with these little small golden words. Then for the little middle piece of the cap, I'm put one of these jewels on it. I don't know if I can see that good, but y'all seen how I got these? I got these to go with it. These are like smaller. So I'm gonna do like one row of these and one row of black ones next to them. Feel me? Got two of those just in case. Then we got the finish line flag, what's it called? Whatever, you feel me, for the outside of the cap. Boom. Super glue as y'all seen. The paper as y'all seen. And then this is what's gonna go in the cap, replacing Nipsey Hussle's face instead of Nipsey Hussle. This is just his logo with some victory flags next to it. You feel me? But they're like wings though. If you really like look at it for real, I did that. Smart thinking. But yeah, and it fits perfect. Like it's gonna fit good. This the cap, by the way. Just a nice little blue cap. My school colors is blue and yellow, so it works out real good. And yeah, we finna get right into it. I'm finna put my playlist. Look at this playlist I found. Y'all know me. I like old music. It's called Uncle on the Grill Again. You feel me? Finna get right into it.
Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low?
Y'all, some technical difficulties. Lucky got scammed on this glue. It was already dry, so I'm about to use a pen ink holder, the back of it, to like dip it in and apply where I need to be at. Feel me? Gotta make do with what you got. Gotta get this cap done. So yeah, we finna get right back into it. Alright, y'all, got all the what's it called, the flags on, but the glue made like the background, like behind the white, a little dark. I'm probably gonna get like a white paint marker or something and like fill it in after I'm done with everything else. But I don't know. I might keep it like that. But yeah, besides that, finished it up. Came out pretty good. We finna get to what should I do next? I think I'm gonna do the lettering next. I mean, that's the main part. So yeah, I'm gonna do the lettering and then cut this out and stuff. And yeah, we getting there. Just trusting the process right now. You feel me? And we finna get to cutting. Boom, y'all. We got it all glued down. I don't know how it looks on this camera, but you feel me? This is what it's looking like so far. Right now, I'm gonna finish doing the rest of the words. It's like the class of 2025 stuff and the TMC and all that. And then I'm gonna cut the logo out, glue it on, put the beads on. These right here, where they at? Put some of these on, and we finna be done. But if y'all is liking this video so far, make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that, you feel me? It's free. And yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I think it came out pretty good. Like, I don't see no white lines. Everything pretty like picture perfect. I ain't gonna lie. I might put something under this so it's standing up off the cap a little bit, so it's floating. You feel me? All right, so I ended up just folding up some cardboard and put it on there. That's how it came out. It's like floating on top, so I didn't have to cut off any other wings. Cause if it was on top of the other flag, it would have like low key like would have been doing too much. So glad I figured that out. Now I'm finna put these little things on here, and yeah, we finna be done. All right, y'all, finished up the cap. You feel me? Let me throw it on for y'all right quick. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it yet. Probably like wear it like how I wear my hat, you feel me? Boom. Let me see. I can see it for Yeah. G-Wait. Yeah, man, I think it came out pretty good. You feel me? Gotta do some little touch-ups. Just get rid of some like excess glue and stuff like that. But yeah, next step is walking across that stage, grabbing that degree, shipping off to Texas. You feel me? And with that being said, we finna get up out of here. Hoping y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna show y'all the hat one more last time with a little montage clip. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay up, stay blessed. Deuces.
You closer to where you trying to get than where you started from. So you gotta keep going, and that's the point. If you stay down, you'll reach that point. You'll look up and be like, shit, it's closer to get to where I'm trying to get than to stop and turn around. So, you know, just stay at it, that's it.